Alright, and we are back here for the start of the third period here with the score. Colorado nothing and Dallas nothing, as neither team can get a goal.
Colorado has yet to score in this hockey game despite generating the better chances. Just look at the shots on goal. That tells the whole story right there. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Here comes Joe Sakic. Lindros. Now over to Morrow. He intercepts the pass. Cleared by Lyles. And that's icing. We're ready for the faceoff. Faceoff won by Rivera. Here's Milan Heaton to Sakic. Here comes Joe Sakic. Right on! Blocked, it didn't get through. To Jokinen. Here comes Jokinen. Throws it at the net. Miles. Theodore hovers up. Holy cow, he got his bell rung on that one. That was a big hit. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to Dallas. The ref indicates a delayed call. He's getting called for hooking.
Carlos Scrashton's 2 minutes for hooking.
And you can see the coach here doesn't like that call and he's having a word with the official. Dallas wins another draw. And Dallas takes possession. Here comes Smith. He gets hit by Nordstrom. To Jokinen. Here comes Jokinen. Intercepted by Colorado. He clears it out. And he just gains center and dumps the puck in. Lindros. Now it's passed ahead to Bart. He gives the puck away. That's offside. The Stars are deadly on the power play. And you just can't take penalties against this team. Their power play is just too strong. They really focus on the special teams and it puts them over the top. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Puck cleared out by Smith. He cleared it down the ice. Smadano. Here comes Morrow. Theodore hovers up for the whistle. About to drop the puck. Dallas scoops it up. And he hangs on for a faceoff. It's hard to believe that Mike
Madonna.
Points in an NHL season.
Well, Jim, that is surprising when you think of some of the great years he's had. But he's not just about goals. Madonna knows how to play a defensive game as well.
Into the slot. He gets called for interference.
Matthias Nordstrom, 2 minutes for interference.
Dallas will now face the home team with 4 players.
With the numbers even, it'll be a question of which style of play can dominate.
Saved by Turco. He passes it to Rivera. Krastic exits the penalty box, meaning his team now has a 5-on-4 advantage. Daly shoots the puck. Saved by Theodore.
Joe Marty Turco.
No business making. Ask any shooter in the league and they'll tell you he's one of the toughest to beat night in and night out.
The faceoff goes to the Stars. It's picked up by Baumgartner. He passes the puck to Spackos. It's 2-on-1. Baumgartner clears it. Clark. He passes it to Stastny. Here comes Spackos. Turco slams the door shut. Now here we have a kid who really
Marek
well, wouldn't you say, Greg?
Svatos.
He's shown that he has the great skill, but it's his ability to make smart plays that's really impressive.
It's cleared by Halpern. to Hannon. Now it's passed to Smith. Here comes Haydu. Shot it. Halpern takes it. Turco covers up. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Dallas wins another draw. Cleared down the ice by Lindros. Clark. Now it's passed to Wolski. Nordstrom is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Pass up to Spatos. Here comes Spatos. Behind the net. Over to Robida. Lindros. To Stefan Robida. Now a quick pass up to Wolski. He carries it to Smith. Delayed call. He's getting called for tripping.
Stefan Robida, 2 minutes for tripping.
And you can see the coach is having a word with the official because he's not happy about that call. Colorado has yet to score on 4 power plays, so they get their 5th chance right here. The faceoff goes to Dallas. Halpern cleared it. Here's John Michael Lyles. To Milan Haydu. Here comes Haydu. Puck picked up by Lyles. To Ryan Smith. To Joe Sakic. Here comes Haydu. In front. Lyles takes over to Haydu. Here comes Joe. He scores!
Ryan Smith, power play goal. First goal this season.
That's why, regardless of all the punishment, he spent so much time in front of the net.
This puts a lot of pressure on their offense. Absolutely. Now they've got to produce. Second wins the draw. He'll go at him one-on-one. Lindros. Less than 2 minutes to go here in the third. To Brunette. Behind the net. Boucher. Under a minute to go in the third. Boucher. Now it's passed ahead. He scores!
Eric Lindros, first goal this season.
Difficult to contain. He has the strength to keep people at bay and a shot that can beat a goaltender from nearly anywhere on the ice.
Colorado allows a goal with under a minute left to play.
3 periods of hockey and it all boils down to the next few seconds.
Here comes Mike Modano. Quick shot from the left. Boucher. Wolski dumps it. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. To Leopold. Delayed penalty coming up. Turco made the save. Boucher will get the gate for cross-checking.
Philippe Boucher, 2 minutes for cross-checking.
Colorado has 1 power play goal on 5 opportunities, and they're getting another chance now. Puck grab by Nordstrom. Puck picked up by Lyles. To Smith. Here comes Haydu. He coughs it up. Puck is cleared by Nordstrom. Less than 10 seconds to go in the third. To Smith.
Either side could put it away in regulation. We're off to overtime.
Now let's take a look at the third period stats by the numbers. Shots are 16-12 Colorado. Third period shots were 5-3 Colorado. Hits are 16-9 Dallas. Face-offs are 19-16 Dallas. Penalty minutes. Dallas has 12 minutes. Colorado has 2 minutes. Power play. Colorado is 1 for 5 with the man advantage, working on their 6th opportunity right now. Dallas is 0 for 1 with the man advantage here tonight. Third period summary looks like this. Scoring: the Avs took a 1-0 lead on a goal by Ryan Smith, his first of the season on the power play from Joe Sakic and John Michael Lyles at 17:58. Then the Stars tied it at 1 on a goal by Eric Lindros, his first of the season from Mike Madonna and Brendan Morrow at 19:23. Penalties. It was Carlos Scratchins 2 minutes for hooking at 3:01. Then it was Matthias Nordstrom 2 minutes for interference at 7:27. Then it was Stefan Robidaw 2 minutes for tripping at 14:44. Then it was Philippe Boucher 2 minutes for cross-checking at 19:36. Well, we'll be back here for the overtime session with the score. Colorado 1, Dallas 1. Don't go anywhere. Back in a moment.